A few years ago, I had some construction work done to my house, and the workers ruined my driveway by overspilling concrete all over the pavement. It looked something like this. And this. So I had everything removed in the last video. And this is where we are now. As you can see, the pavers are covered in a thick layer of concrete. The trouble is that these kind of pavers are not available anymore. The new ones are shorter and wider, so I'd have to redo my entire driveway, which would be a ton of work and, not to mention, very expensive. So cleaning these old ones might be a better option. After all, how stuck can that concrete overspill be? So first I tried the old-fashioned way. It works on cleaning mortar from bricks. It might work here too. That's not exactly the look I was hoping for. They might need a bit more work. My second brilliant idea was to use a sanding pad on an angle grinder. It works great on wood. It would be nice to get the same smooth finish on the paving stones. Not my proudest moment, to be honest. But then I remembered I have this old Parkside concrete polishing disc I bought a while back, before Lidl got the obsession to paint everything green. I only used it once before, trying to polish the edge of some tiles, but it left a rough finish which I did not like. I hope it works better on concrete, after all it is what it was designed for. One negative thing about it is that on my Makita angle grinder it sits below the guard so it can't be used. And even on this Bosch it barely protrudes a few millimeters above. Not ideal, but it can be used like that until it wears down a bit. It took around 45 seconds to clean this one. Once I got the hang of it, it took an average of 30 seconds for each paver, which is way faster than I was hoping for. It also left a nice smooth finish, much nicer than the new pavers have. After doing a bunch of them, it shows little wear, and I ended up cleaning around 10 square meters of pavement without it wearing down. It does get quite hot though, both the disc and the grinder itself. I had to take a lot of breaks for it to cool down, and switched between two angle grinders every 15 minutes or so, to prevent them from overheating. This is how the end result looks like. It's not perfect, but it suits the rest of the driveway, and it saved me a ton of money, which is always nice.